Good morning friends. Today we are going to differentiate the inverse trigonometric function. Now the idea of inverse trigonometric function is we have to reduce this into a single term. Okay. We know that cos inverse of cos x is x. So with this idea we have to reduce 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square in terms of cos. We know that cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. If you substitute tan theta in place of x, this can be reduced as cos 2 theta. So y equal to cos inverse of 1 minus, substitute x equal to tan theta. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This can be reduced as cos inverse cos 2 theta, which is 2 theta. See here, cos inverse of cos x is x. So cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. So y becomes 2 theta. But theta is if x is tan theta, theta is tan inverse x. Okay. So 2 into tan inverse x. Therefore dy by dx equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x, which is 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is your solution. Okay. Now second one, y equal to secant inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1. We know that secant inverse of 1 by x, 1 by cos theta, cos x is secant x. Therefore it can be reduced to x. So with this idea, 1 by 2x square minus 1, that means 2x square minus 1 should be reduced to cos terms. So the only possibility is cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. If you substitute x equal to cos theta, it becomes 2x square minus 1, which is exactly matching this. So substitute x equal to cos theta, y equal to secant inverse 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is secant inverse secant 2 theta, that is 2 theta. But theta is cos inverse x. Since x equal to cos theta, theta becomes, if x equal to cos theta, theta becomes cos inverse x. So finally y equal to 2 into cos inverse x. dy by dx equal to 2 into cos inverse d by dx of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, and this is your solution. Okay. Third one. Y equal to cos inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. But we know that sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So if you substitute x equal to tan theta, then y becomes cos inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, that is cos inverse of sin 2 theta. See here, sin 2 theta. So sin can be expressed in terms of cos as pi by 2 minus cos. So cos 90 theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So y becomes pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Here theta is tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. So dy by dx is 0. D by dx of pi by 2 is 0, and d by dx of minus 2 tan inverse x is 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Since d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So this is your 5.3 exercise. Okay.